Oh my gosh! Right under that corner of the wall, there was a huge king cobra hiding in the shadows. A villager noticed something strange. He found the shed skin of a king cobra and a cluster of snake eggs still waiting to hatch. If those eggs were to hatch successfully, the whole village could be in serious trouble. Just yesterday, one of the villagers was bitten on the finger by the cobra. Thankfully, he received treatment in time and barely made it through. To drive the cobra away safely, the villagers called in an experienced snake catcher. The snake catcher carefully surveyed the area and soon spotted signs of the cobra nearby. It looked like they had found its main nest. Without hesitation, they began to dig around the spot. During the excavation, they found another layer of shed skin. Then, unexpectedly, they uncovered a second hole filled with more snake eggs. To capture the cobra, they moved aside a pile of dry tree trunks blocking the entrance and continued to widen the den. To everyone's shock, the real king cobra finally appeared from deep inside the cave. Now, the question is, will the snake catcher manage to trap the king cobra in time?